What is going on, fellow Marl Bros? Now, we might actually be changing that name pretty soon here, but that's besides the point. The point is, we got a fresh banger for you today. And it all started just going out on a little cruise, started exploring the lakeshore, and we stumbled upon an abandoned boathouse. Now, I'm not really sure if someone's actively using the property this boathouse is on, but it was very disheveled, very collapsed, and eroded, all of which made it prime for exploration. So, I hope you guys are going to enjoy this. It was all impromptu. I just pulled out my camera, started filming as we found it. So, jump right in. Hope you enjoy. Alright, we're out here. We started crawling on these rocks, and then we noticed this structure right here.
I think the term is a bungalow.
And we're gonna go check it out. Maybe someone opens it, but that's Great Lakes Naval Base right there. So, just out here exploring. Alright, not sure if this is somebody's property or not.
This is definitely public property. Look at all this infrastructure. This is definitely public property.
Yeah. Well, I mean, no one's been here in a minute, for sure. It's pretty scraggly. Yeah. Oh yeah.
I like how they got a floor jack holding up one of the I-beams. That's nice.
Is that your Met Cafe?
I was trying to see a date on it. It just has a time.
Huh. Yeah, I guess this is it, the abandoned boathouse. Heard some stuff about this place, but never been here. It was quite the hike because we don't have a boat. We walked from like way down there.
Oh my.
Oh yeah, that is a car jack supporting the I-beam, as said. All right, so it looks like that's the way up. I'm gonna put the camera down and we're gonna get across without dying, and then we'll give you an update. All right, so that's what's keeping it up. Woo, squeaky and flexy. Oh yeah, there's a shitter. Nice. Some tools. Hard hat. Looks like someone maybe tried to fix it up at one point.
Some cuts on this tree back here, but I think a tree fell on it.
Probably a lot of asbestos in here.
Oh.
It's okay, I'm not allergic. Oh, the floor feels shaky. Got a nice tool belt, sledgehammer, kerosene, and a chainsaw. Got a chainsaw back there.
Nice looking thing.
Yeah.
20-inch, 18-inch blade.
We're not gonna take anything, of course, because
I don't like that.
yeah, we ain't like that. But there are.
This part's the sketchy.
Oh my god.
Ooh, I don't know if I want to walk on that.
Oh my
But we're
god.
going to for science.
Dude.
Oh, she's squeaking. Oh yeah, she's good. King of the shit house.
What's your plan with that one? Woo!
Really cool. There's like a walkway right along the water.
Oh my god, dude, that I-beam just ends.
I know.
Yeah, it's probably a boat garage. Yeah, it's like a rocky death down there.
I wonder if people like took boats over here and tried fixing it up, or if it's someone else.
Yeah, I don't know if there's like a house up there or what, but it seems like somebody tried to work on this place a little bit. Some animal tracks. Comment down below if you know what that is. Like coon or something. Dude, I think there's a sinkhole. Yeah, it looks like a sinkhole. So yeah, this is old boathouse, subject to some erosion, I guess. All right, so looks like somebody's stairs are up there, but this place sure is interesting, to say the least. Definitely like collapsed because of some kind of erosion, which is far too common on the lake. People forget that lakes fill in over time. So that's what's going on here, and somebody just lost out on a nice little boathouse. Keep going, keep checking stuff out.
I might have found like the perfect jumping spot. We'd have to come back in summer with like goggles and check out how deep it is and everything, but I'm seeing a pretty deep spot right in front of you. You just yeet yourself right off of this railing.
Yeah, see the rocks kind of end like there, and then like possibly out in this region.
Yeah, like right in front of us, and there's like this whole 10-foot area. Looks like you just gotta jump maybe 10 feet forward, which wouldn't be hard because we're maybe 30 feet up.
Yeah. So just fucking, yeah, summer, we'll get a little depth check going, and
Send it.
yeah, we'll see if we can make something happen, because we've been looking for like a little jump spot to send it on Lake Michigan for.
Quite some time.
Yeah. All right, checking out the boat storage now.
Obviously the water level's a little lower right now because it's winter. But in summer there'd be a foot or so of water under here.
Hopefully this isn't complete ice. Oh yeah. Boat right up to that.
Perfect little, you just swim up onto these rocks after jumping off. I don't know, but maybe it's more like 20 feet from the top
Yeah.
of the water, but still pretty sick.
But yeah, just like hop up on that guardrail.
There's nothing like this.
Zoom.
Insane fine.
All right, so this like main part where there's like the chimney and like the boat garage and everything, and the part that's held up by a car jack, that part's definitely fucked. But like, check it out. You got these little stairs right here, and then you got this platform, and you just got views for days. So like, definitely in the summer, gonna come back and just fucking hang out here. Cause yeah, all you gotta do, bring a lawn chair. And there you are. Short little exploration video. Wasn't planning on making a video, but there you have it. Good times always. Yeah, so basically if we were able to just frickin' pull up on boats, you know, come down the coast, we could literally just dock up and we'd have a good time. So hopefully we'll get a boat this summer. Yeah. All right, we're now checking out the property above the boathouse to see if anyone lives here. Property someone's using. So we're just gonna sneak on in. There's a lot of trash. Another McCafe cup up here. Dog prints of some sort. But other than that, no recent human prints. More trash. Some trash from Duncan.
It's like maybe an animal grabbed the trash bag out of the trash can.
Yeah, possibly. 'Cause that's all that's here is animal tracks. Some kind of... Oh yeah, see there's some trash. Alright, I guess there's a house here. Does it look abandoned? No.
No lights.
We'll have to fuck around on Google Maps, honestly.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, yeah, so we're not sure if that property is being used or not up there, but there is definitely a house up there. Doesn't seem like anyone's in. There's, you know, 2020 Christmas cup trash, so people have been here somewhat recently.
Yeah, the sawdust looks pretty, like all the sawdust
Yeah.
would have blown away, but it's still,
Yeah, so they also cut these trees pretty recently right here.
this is all dry.
And there's still sawdust on the roof, so someone's definitely been back here. But if we keep looking into it, we'll find out some more about this place. And we are back to the 70s G-Wagon. That's how it all started. We were just planning on going out for a little ride. And then we ended up in an abandoned boathouse. So that's how stuff goes sometimes. But yeah, hope you enjoyed. We're definitely gonna fuck around at that boathouse, try to make it like a little summer chill spot. So if you wanna see that, go ahead and subscribe now and look for that in the future. Great way to end the adventure, get a little fire going, because that thing has no heat, but we're chilling because we got a fire.
It does have heat, it's just the it's full of dust and dirt in the fucking vent, so it just blows dirt in your face.
Doesn't have usable heat.
Doesn't
So
have usable.
here we go. All right.